Okay, this is the unboxing of the Dissembler Wi-Fi camera. This is what you receive in the box. You receive a smart charger. This is to charge the battery. Receive a battery. And then the camera itself. The camera's already inside the enclosure. So this is what's included. The camera, battery, and the charger. And the charger itself has a connector on this end. This would plug into the battery. You always want to make sure red to red and black to black. It will only go in one way, but if you force it enough, you could put it the wrong way. So just plug it in like this, and then you want to plug the other end into the wall. When it's charging, this will turn red. You want it at 3.7 volts all the way to the right, and when it's full, it'll be green. So you put that on the charger in the meantime. Okay, continuing to open up the camera, you need a Phillips head screwdriver. You want to use a hand tool rather than a drill, something like that. You could cause damage if you over tighten. Okay, when you remove it, you'll see the camera and the connector which goes to the battery. Also, the SD card is already in. Pushing it pops it out. You can take it out. Okay, the buttons on here. The on-off button is located right here. Point with the screwdriver. You just hold that for 3 seconds when the battery's plugged in, and you'll see a green light come on. So after charging, you want to plug the battery into the camera. Same thing, black to black. I've also marked it on the plastic here, black on each side. And then just tuck the extra wire under the camera itself. To turn it on, like I said, we're going to hold that button. Move this that way so you can see. The button's located right here, and it's a black button. Try to bring it closer. So right here. Right there. Right there. You see the green light is on. Okay, to reset the camera, if ever you need to reset it for whatever reason, the button's located right here. Right here, it's like a little round disc. You want to press and hold it. The other side of the camera here, there's a small button right here. That, if you hold down, will change the mode of the camera. It's talked about that in the instruction booklet. Okay, so to install the app, you go to the Play Store and type in. Okay, so you want to type that into your Play Store or the Apple Store, and then click it to install. Install. Accept. Alright, I'm going to show you how to connect the camera for the first time and to the application. First thing you want to do is plug in the battery. Once you plug in the battery, you turn on the device, hold the power button down for about 3 seconds. See the light turn green. Alright, and then in the application, you want to click the application to open. Alright, to start, you want to click Add New Camera. please enable Wi-Fi to connect the Wi-Fi cam, and then some numbers depending on your camera. The numbers are different. So you'll see a green and yellow light on the camera, if you can see that there. And then on my phone it says Wi-Fi cam. I click that, let it connect. Okay, once it's connected, click on the app. And then we're going to add new camera. It's going to fill in the camera ID. You need to put in the camera name. And then the username and password's already there. You can change that if you want. If you want to connect to your router, this is where you'd want to select it. Either your home network, or if you want to put a hotspot inside of your case, you'd want to enter the information for that. I'm going to skip that for now. Just going to click OK. Now you have the camera listed on your camera list, the live view. You notice the camera starts blinking. Click on Pull Camera, and now we have a video coming up on the screen now. Okay, so that's all set. Select recording options. You can set a schedule in here, either motion activated. You can do continuous recording. Let's talk about voice activation. This does not record audio. Live view settings. You want to set this so you're using less data, so I always set it for the 320 by 240. Push notifications. The only one that's going to work on here is motion activation, so if there's any motion, it will pop up if the app is open on your phone and tell you that there's movement. See what else here. Firmware upgrade, you don't have to worry about. And delete camera. If you mess up and you want to delete it and start over, you can do that. When unplugging the battery, you want to make sure you grab both connectors and then pull apart.